going to show everyone how to change the banner graphic on a budget banner stand. So to start with, you unwind the graphic. Until the point where you can see it attached to the leader of the base. If you pull it all the way out until you can feel it can't go anymore, with your replacement graphic you receive a locking pin. On this side of the base there's a hole for it to insert into, and that will lock the tension so you can let go. Once that's done, peel the tape off. Once that's off, you should be able to peel the graphic the base. It's probably a good idea to put your thumb against the point in which you pull in so that it doesn't tear the other part. Okay, so this is how you remove the rail from the old graphic. You take the two plastic end pieces off. Usually a flat-headed screwdriver is best. And you literally get it into the channel of the rail and prise it away from each other. And then putting it back onto your new graphic. You have to slide it into the channel again. And just carefully slide it over. Once you get to your point, clamp it down. And then add the end pieces back on. When you receive your replacement graphic, it will always have Tessa tape attached and a rail for you to just attach the graphic back to the base. So with this, you peel back the Tessa, and then carefully to the back of the graphic you attach it as best as you can. You can put extra tape over the top of it just to kind of ensure it's stuck down, which is something that we do with all our stands when we send them out. Once you're comfortable that that's attached, if you hold the tension again and just pull the pin out and slowly back into the base.